G'day everybody. Today I have got here the Worx 25cm or 10-inch chainsaw. And this is the skin only, so there's no battery or charger included in this particular one. You can get this same chainsaw in a kit with the battery and charger. So keen to check this one out. It's meant to have an auto chain tension system and auto lubrication, which is handy. Those things can be a pain to deal with. So let's whip this one open and have a closer look at it. In the box here, obviously, we have our safety and operating manual, as well as information on the power share gear and quick user guide. And that appears to be all of the booklets that come with it. And then coming down into the box further, we remove that piece. We have got here the chainsaw blades and cover. So that's that. And then the main body of the chainsaw. So on the underside here, this is where our Worx power share battery will clip in. And over this side is where we're going to attach that chainsaw blade. So this will screw all the way off to reveal where that blade is going to go. And so it's going to lock in around there, so it locks onto, so this piece locks onto the blade, this piece obviously straight here onto that component. And then we're going to reattach this piece onto there, and that'll screw in. Obviously you're going to want to remove these plastic tabs first, but essentially this is then going to slot in on top of it, like so, and you'll be able to do that all the way back up. So it's fairly weighty, but it's also all plastic, so on the outside at least anyway. Now we've got here our lubricant tank, and so that's going to require your oil for your bar and chain before use. That needs to be filled up. It does not come with that oil, so you'll need to get that. And then over here on this, under the handle, we've got a safety button. It's got to be in order to turn it on. And as soon as you let go of that trigger to hold it on, it's going to release that safety, so you can't accidentally put that on. This button has to be in first in order to turn on the chainsaw. There's our oil levels. This is rated at 96 decibels. And it's obviously not a massive chainsaw. Like, it's a relatively small unit overall, relatively small blade, but it should be pretty good for doing smaller jobs around the house and that sort of thing. So I'm keen to give this one a whirl. Now, this particular model is also compatible with the Worx pole for doing pole-based pruning, such as like in this example image here. So essentially what you want to do is, with the pole, you're just going to attach it in where the power share battery would normally lock in here, and do that up. So that's just going to slide in on the base here, so into those grooves. And that's going to let us run the chainsaw remotely using the pole system. So that makes it even more flexible unit for pruning and that sort of thing. So that's everything that comes in the box with the Worx 25cm or 10-inch cordless lithium chainsaw. I hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing on these, check out the affiliate links down in the description. And of course, make sure you click that thumbs up if you found this helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.